welcome back. Now, you will agree with me that all these questions has their own degree of applications that will help us solve tougher questions. Now, we are here now, question 3. So, the first thing you do is to replicate both sides so that they all look like fraction. So, I've said a over 1 is equals to 1 times b is b over 2. 1 times c squared is c squared, all over 8 times b is 8b. We want to make c the sort of formula. So what next? We'll look for LCM of the denominators. LCM of the denominators, which is equals to 8b. So what do I do? Knowing the LCM, what do I do next? I will say multiply through with the LCM. So I'll say 8b into a over 1 is equals to 8b into b over 2 plus 8b into c squared over 8b. So what do I do? This will cancel this, it gives me 4. This cancel this, that's 1. So what do I say? I will say 8ab, because 8b times a is 8ab, equals to b times b is b squared. So this gives me 4b squared. Are you there? Plus c squared. Remember, it is c we want to make the subject of formula. So I move all this one to this place. So I will have this to be equals to 8ab. When plus 4b squared comes here, it becomes minus 4b squared equals to c squared. Is that taken? Now look at this properly. What does it look like? There are certain things they have in common, but I'm not interested in that. First, I want to remove this power of square. So what do? I will say square rooting both sides, or I will say multiply both powers. Okay, if I say square rooting both sides, square rooting both sides, square rooting both sides, square rooting both sides, meaning we want to put square root on both sides. So I will have square root of 8ab minus 4b squared equals to square root of c squared, which will give me c. So I say that c is equal to square root of 8ab minus 4b squared. Now, because this series is simply for JAMB series, I will look, there's something common between these two. I can further still simplify it. So I will say 4 can go here. So I'll say 4, I'll have b here. So 4b, bracket open. So I'm factorizing what is inside. So how many 4b can go here? So 8ab divided by 4b. This cancel this cancel this. So I'll have 2a minus, this is 4b squared. Right. You see, that's that for it. Now let's look at 4b squared divided by 4b. This cancel this cancel one of the b's. So I have my b here. So because of the JAMB students, if it were YEC, you can leave your answer like this, but you can further do it more if it's for the JAMB, so that you will get the correct answer. So quickly, that is that for question 3. So let's look at question 4. Let's look at question 4. Okay. Don't forget, after solving this question 4, I expect you to do this and send to me. Don't forget to press the notification button if you are just following us, so to get notifications on all our channels, YouTube channels, and all that social media channels, Facebook and Instagram. Okay, thank you. So look at that. We have Q equal to P, open bracket, 1 plus R over 100, close bracket, raised to the power 2. So what do I do? The question wants me to make R the subject of formula. I'm making R the subject of formula. Okay, let me put there. R the subject of formula. So what do I do first? R is on this side, so let me divide both sides by P so that I will have my unknown standing on its own. So I will say divide both sides by P. So I have Q divided by P and 1 plus R over 100 open bracket P divided by P. This cancel out this. So I have what I will have will now be Q over P is equals to 1 plus R over 100 all raised to the power 2. Okay, so follow me as I move to this side of the board. Alright, so I'm cleaning all this because we have exhausted its usage. Fine. Hope you can see the board from here. Alright, so I can say my Q over P, everything raised to power 1, is equals to 1 plus R over 100, everything here raised to power 2. So multiply both powers by half. Okay, multiply both powers by half or square root both sides, or square root both sides. Okay, so I will have Q over P raised to power 1 times 1 over 2 is equals to 1 plus R over 100 raised to power 2 multiplied by 1 over 2. This cancels out. So this becomes square root of Q over P is equals to 1 plus R over 100. Alright. Okay. So having said that, I want to continue from here so that I won't clean the classwork. Okay. So I have to continue from here. So I have my Q over P square root is equals to 1 plus R over 100. So my Q over P minus 1 is equals to R over 100. Is that taken? Okay, so what do I do? I want to make my R a formula. So what do I do? Multiply both sides by 100. So I have 100 multiplied by the Q over P minus 1 is equals to R over 100 times 100. This is so. Then my R is equals to 100 open bracket square root of P minus 1. I close my bracket. That becomes my R is now my subject of formula. Brings this to the very end of the polynomial aspect that treats change of subject. When the next we are going to do now will now be the simultaneous equation, the polynomial aspect that has to do with simultaneous equation, one linear, one quadratic. See you there.